Hello, I'm now sitting on the new model of BMW F850GS, and in this video I would like to demonstrate the acceleration and measure the elasticity from 60 kilometers to 100 kilometers on different gears, and also from 80 to 120 kilometers per hour on different gears. This is a full specs model, so I have the electronic suspension, I have the quick shifter, I have loads of full maps which influence not only the engine characteristic but also the suspension, ABS, traction control. So I now have that dynamic, which is the fastest mode, and the suspension is set to dynamic, and also it's set it up for just one person. Although I have 110 or 113 kilograms, so it's almost like two people. But anyway, let's do the first test. So you see the traction control, and now it lowered the power on the second gear. So yeah, because of the wheelie, I guess. $165, and I did. I remember on Aprilia Shiver, I did with the same power. I did 5 kilometers more, but I was maybe a little bit more sure about the brakes, and so I keep the longer distance before start braking. Here it's not that bad, like 2-piston dual disc Brembo, but 21-inch front wheel, and not really road tires, but more likely off-road tires. It doesn't give me such a confidence, so I am putting I'm going on the brakes sooner. Now I'll try it without the traction control. So now the elasticity from 60 on 6th gear to 100. 3, 2, 1, go. Ha, that was fast. So 60 to 100 on 3rd gear. And now 4th gear. So from 80 to 120 on the 3rd gear. This is damn fast. I think this is the good discipline for this engine, and it allows you the passing cars with no troubles at all. It's very strong in this discipline, I think. Of course, regarding to the class, like 70 kilowatts, but I think this is pretty nice. So let's try it from 4th gear. Go. Just a little bit slower. Not much. No problem. So we can now try the 5th gear. Just quick shifter, 4th gear, 5th gear, awesome, 80. Let's go. Yeah, it's not that bad, but you would definitely, probably in this situation gear down on 4th gear or the 3rd gear if you want, but the 4th gear is absolutely okay for accelerating from 80 to 120. Just keep in mind that I have 110 or 113 kilos, and it really influences the capabilities of the motorcycle.